everybody, I'm going to be showing you how to take apart an Xbox 360 hard drive. First, you're going to need your screwdrivers. For this, you're going to need a T6. Looks just like that. It's one of those stars, okay? Now, on the outside shell, there's 4 bolts, okay? You got one here, one above that, right around, right there. You got 2 more on the corners. First, you're going to have to just take those out. I've previously done that. It's not really a crucial step. Then when you separate the two, you're going to be careful because there's a spring. It's right here, and you just don't want that to fall out. And if it does, it's not a big deal. It's pretty easy to put back in. So you just separate the two, like this. Okay. So now you have the shell, and you have the hard drive, which is behind that metal sheet plate. Okay, for the next step, there's 4 bolts. There's one right here, one right there, here, and here. I believe they're T10 screwdrivers, so right here I get my T10, right here. See that right there? Okay. So I'm going to have to take those out. Just rest them aside. Sorry, I'm a little sick. Pretty bored when I'm doing this. And this is going to be good if you're going to use the software Explorer360, which you can get game saves and stuff like that. So, okay, now that you've got those 4 screwdrivers off, you're going to want to pull this metal casing up, like so. You fold it back, just like that. Put that aside, save that. Okay, now, what you see here is a hard drive. This is a laptop hard drive, pretty much. And you see these metal clips right there? Not really clips, but the things that you put the bolt into, okay? What I do is I just bend those up, just the last 2, okay? And you take your hard drive from the back. You're going to want to push it out of that socket, okay? Oh, forgot 2 of those. Okay, so then, bam, you have the hard drive out. Just looks like a laptop hard drive. You know what I mean? I believe this is a 20 gig, yep, Seagate 20 gig hard drive. Okay. Now, since I'm going to be doing some game saves, I went out and I bought an hard drive reader for laptop hard drives. Okay, mine looks like this. Hold on, you have to take it out of the case. Mine looks just like this. Okay, it's pretty nice. It looks pretty cool. Then I just take these 4 bolts out. It's basically just a cover, so you don't, when you're using it, you don't drop the hard drive. Just shut those aside. And I got this for around $20. It's not too much. You can get them at Best Buy. And you take your hard drive, like so. Plop it in here. Oh, I got a little thingy. And then slide it in. And you're good to go. Now, what's cool about this is that it's USB right here. Nope, right there. So then, you just plug this in your computer, bam, your computer reads it. You start up your Explorer360 program. You can put game saves, anything on here. It's a great accessory. I'm not going to be doing it now because this video is just to show how to take it apart and get your hard drive out. So, set this aside. And now we're going to be reassembling your hard drive. It's really easy. Okay, so you take this part again. You'll see some wires with an insert clip right here. and then you'll see the right there, you'll see the insert. Okay, so slide that back in there. You line up the insert with the clip, press that in. Fold those clips down back again that we unfolded before to get the hard drive out. Take your 4 black screws. Oh, first you gotta put the metal plate back over it. Okay. There we go. Now we take our 4 metal screws. There's 1. Here's 2. Here's 3. And the 4th. Okay, now that's all set up. If your spring didn't fall out before, but mine did, you're ready, just put this back on, but you're in luck. If yours did, I'm going to show you how to put it back together, because accidentally mine came out. Not a big deal. What you do is you take the spring right here, you put it just like that, so it's sitting in that little hole for it. Okay, and then you'll take this, and then you'll put this on the top of the spring. Hold on one sec. It's pretty tricky, but it's not anything real hard, you know. It's just one of those things. Okay, and then it just sits back in there like that. And you take this button. Got the button. Put it back in right here. So, the mechanism works. Then you take your cover plate, throw that back on there. There's 2 little clips that you have to put in on top right here. Just snap those back in. If it makes a snap noise, that's good. It's not a bad thing. Okay, so it's good to go. Then we take our 4 screws that we took out earlier. We start putting those back on. There's 1. 2. 3. And 4. Okay, so I'm done with that. And you just watched and learned how to take apart an Xbox 360 hard drive. Hope you guys liked my video. See you later.